everyone, welcome to Scholar. I am back with your new lesson, Raindrops. But let me remind you one thing. If you are able to understand whatever I am telling you in the videos and you want to watch more videos, do not forget to like the video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can receive notification of the recently uploaded videos. So let's proceed. So students, do you like rains? I love the rainy season. Do you know the importance of rains? Rainwater is very important as it provides water we use in our daily life for various purposes like drinking, cooking, etc. Apart from that, rainwater is necessary for agriculture. Have you ever planted a seed or a plant? If yes, you must have watered it, right? So, plants need water to live. Crops depend on water that is mainly provided through irrigation and rains. Irrigation is the process of watering the plants. So, farmers water the plant. In addition to that, rains water the whole field. So, no rains, no food. So, have you understood now how important is rains for agriculture, for crops, and we eat food cultivated by farmers? The absence of rains can cause drought, water scarcity and crop failure. Farmers rely mainly on agriculture to earn a living. They sell products like wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. in the market to earn, to get some money so that they can survive. Like you need money to purchase anything, farmers also need money to buy anything. So now let's start the chapter 2, Raindrops. In the end of this chapter, you will be able to see all the word meanings with descriptions. Whatever words are used in your lesson will be described so that you will be able to understand their meanings well. This is the story of Farmer Sood, who had a big field and he had planted wheat on it. He removed the weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that are removed from the field before sowing the seeds. So he prepared the field and sowed the seeds of wheat. And he was praying for rains every day so that he will be able to harvest the wheat at the end of the season and sell this product in the market to earn. Farmers rely on this product for the whole of the year because they earn by harvesting, that means by cutting the crops and selling them in the market. And for the whole year they have to survive on this money. After working hard for a long time, Farmer Sood observed that wheat plants are drying up. Why? Because of the absence of rains. The farmer was very sad to see the poor condition of the field because he has worked very hard and he was dependent on the product of the cultivation. He felt worried thinking that he would find no wheat to harvest at the end of the season. Every morning he used to go to the field and pray for the rains. Once he was standing in the field looking at the sky with the hope of rains. 2 raindrops saw the condition of the farmer and they were sympathetic towards him. Watch their conversation.
Look at that farmer. I feel sorry for him. He worked so hard to grow his wheat, but now it's all drying up. I want to help him.
But we are only 2 little raindrops. How can we help to water a big field?
I agree. We can't do much, but we can cheer up the farmer a little. I will go down to the field to show I want to help. Even I can't do much.
I am ready.
You have just watched the conversation of the 2 raindrops, how small they are, still so courageous. They decided to go down and cheer up the farmer. So these two raindrops fall, one on the nose of the farmer and another on the thirsty stalk of wheat. The drop that fell on the nose of the farmer was Leah and another that fell on the stalk was Leela. Just then many raindrops heard the sudden noise and they collected to see what is happening. When they saw that the two raindrops are going down to cheer up the farmer, they said,
"Oh, what's that? A raindrop! At last we shall have a shower."
If you two are going to an errand to help the farmer, then we are coming too.
The meaning of errand is going on a short trip to complete some work. Then the rain started, pitter patter, that was the sound of the raindrops that were falling on the ground. Farmer Sooth became very happy as the wheat plantation revived. The stalks regained their strength. The farmer became very happy looking at the sight. After all, this was the result of his hard work. It became possible. How? Because of the courageous action of the two raindrops that were so small still, their willpower was very strong. So children, do not underestimate your potential. You are small, but you can do wonders. You have the potential, you have the strength, you have the willpower. You can achieve something. You can touch the sky. You can become leaders like the two little raindrops who showed way to other raindrops who followed them. Now this is the time to discuss the word meanings. I already told you what is weeding. Weed it means to remove the harmful plants from the field that can damage the crops. It is called weeding. Now the second word is wither. To dry and to bend downwards. Like the plants were about to wither. They were not getting enough water, so they were drying up. Wither is the word used for bent plants that were not getting sufficient water. Third word is droop. Droop means to bend downwards. Wither and droop. That means plants were drying up and they were bending downwards because they were getting weaker day by day. Next word is harvest. Harvest means to cut and collect crops. At the end of the season, when the crops are ready, they are cut by the farmer and collected to be used or sold in the market. Now stalks. What are stalks? Stalks are the straight structures on which leaves, fruits or flowers grow. Commotion means sudden noisy confusion. The sudden noise that started when the two raindrops went down and fell on the ground. Sudden noisy confusion is called commotion. Errand is a short trip to complete some work. Like the raindrops that were going down to water the fields to help the farmer. That was the errand, a short trip made by the raindrop. Rejoiced, showed great joy or happiness. This word was used for the farmer who was rejoiced at the sight of the fields after the rains. Rewarded. This is a word used when someone has done something good and he or she received a prize or reward. Like in this story, Farmer Sooth has done a lot of hard work and in the end, he received a reward in the form of rains and ultimately the revival of the plants that were withering because of the absence of the rains. I already told you the meaning of pitter patter. That were the words used to describe the sound of the raindrops that were falling on the ground. This ends your chapter. If you like the way I told the story, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell. Notes and question answers are given on the website learn@scholar.com. The link is given in the description box. If you have any query, any question, any doubt, or if you want me to explain anything, you can write in the comment section. Now we will meet with the next lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned. If you wish to join online classes, leave a message on WhatsApp at the given number or fill the form. Link is given in the description.